Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on burn-in protection on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen. Click to the settings button. Click to the map and interface, and new, just go to the interface section and you can find the burn-in protection. Fade the background of the menu where hint and speedometer. Actually, I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, you can select the turn on or the turn on after 40 minutes of driving. Just select one and you can use that. So easy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.